Hey there! If you're looking to upgrade your floors, epoxy flooring might just be the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm diving into the different types of epoxy flooring, and by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which one suits your space best. First up, we have self-leveling epoxy. This type is fantastic if you're dealing with uneven surfaces. It creates a smooth, seamless finish that's not only visually appealing, but also super durable. It's ideal for kitchens, garages, and even commercial spaces. Next, let's talk about terrazzo epoxy. This one's a bit fancy. It incorporates decorative aggregates like marble or granite, giving your floor a unique and luxurious look, perfect for those high-traffic areas that need a bit of flair. Then there's epoxy mortar flooring. If you need something ultra-strong and resistant, this is your go-to. Made with solid epoxy and graded sand, it's incredibly tough and can withstand heavy impact. Great for industrial settings or anywhere that sees a lot of wear and tear. For those who want a bit more sparkle, metallic epoxy is an excellent choice. It uses metallic pigments to create a shimmering three-dimensional effect. It's like having an art piece right under your feet. Last but not least, we have quartz-filled epoxy. This type combines epoxy resin with colored quartz grains, providing both durability and a non-slip surface. Ideal for areas where safety is a priority, like bathrooms or pool decks.